Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to make bread, a very healthy bread. I want to use rosemary and cinnamon to spice it up. So as you can see here, here are my ingredients. I want to make 2 doughs, that's why I have 2 eggs, so 1 egg for each dough. And then I'm going to use both brown and white flour, and I have my yeast, I have my sugar. So I'll be adding flax seeds. This is a bowl of rosemary, yeah, and then I have my milk in here. I just want it to warm up before I use it. And then here is my margarine, here is my baking tin, and this is my oil. I'm gonna replace butter with oil. Those are my ingredients. I'm gonna show you the amount of each ingredient that I will be measuring to use for this recipe. So please welcome, join me, and let's bake. So I will need my yeast first, 1 tablespoon of yeast, so that 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1, 2, 3, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. The rosemary, I'm just gonna use like a scoop of 1 tablespoon, and then I'm gonna just grate it on my hands like that. Yes, so I'm just going to use 1 egg for this, and then in there I'm gonna add half a cup of milk, so I'm gonna add it in there. So that's 1 cup. Measure 1 cup of white flour. Then you measure the other cup of brown. Now we're there. So this one here. And that's all with the ingredients. So I'm just gonna knead this dough and make it into a good one. So guys, after your dough has just mixed up like that, you're just going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. So there, 2, 3. So now after you've put your oil or butter, you just knead your dough until it is somewhat elastic. Just do this until you feel like your dough is entirely elastic. I feel like my dough is now right where I want it to be. Very nice. So that means that's the elasticity we want. So after you're done and you are fully satisfied with your dough, so you're just gonna take it out of this bowl, and then you have another bowl. So this is what you do. You just rub some oil around the dough. So like that. And you just take it and transfer it into another bowl, and then you're going to cover it up in this bowl. So So I'm gonna set it aside for 1.5 hours until it has risen to double its size. So that's our first dough. It's gonna get ready within 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I'm gonna set the timer for that. Now I'm gonna be preparing the second dough. So just using the same bowl that I used to make the other dough. So there we have our 2 balls. I'm going to set the timer for the second one at 1 hour 30 minutes. So the other one is already remaining 1 hour 14 minutes. First timer is off. I'm just gonna prepare this tin by greasing it, then I'm gonna preheat my oven and then wait for the other one. I unfortunately forgot to put cinnamon, and I was supposed to be making cinnamon in rosemary bread. So since the dough is ready, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to knead it down, and then after kneading it down, I'm just gonna add some cinnamon in it at this stage. This is my cinnamon powder. So what I'm gonna do, oh god, so bad, but well, I'm just going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then I'm just going to knead it down in this flour. Actually, I'm thinking of cutting it into 2. So that's what we have. I'm just going to move this to the baking tin as we wait for the other timer. The other timer is just 2 minutes away, so just place this on the baking tin just like this. And then, okay, this will be rising, of course, so I have another remaining space for the other 2. So I'm just going to do the other 2 what I just did. So of course, first step, brown. Turn it. Put your cinnamon. At this point, I'm thinking of just rolling some. So maybe like having that, like that. So we have those breads. Then the last thing is brushing some milk. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, that's nice. So I'm just gonna put in this. So now our timer will be at 30 minutes, and then I'm also going to just adjust the heat kiasi to be a little bit less so that you can be able to maintain that temperature at 160 degrees. As usual, I'll be peeking through my microwave door to check the temperature and to check how the browning of this is going on. I think this is going to be perfect. So here's our 30 minutes. I'm just going to set that. Okay, see you guys. I might even need to check it at 20 minutes, so let me just set another time at 20 minutes that we have 2 stopwatches. See you guys after 20 minutes. Well guys, 10 minutes later, let's see what's going on, and I feel like it's all done and it looks so delicious, smells so like cinnamon and rosemary. This bread is sweet. I hope you guys are going to try this recipe, and you're definitely going to tag me on Instagram at MD Kenya, on Twitter at MD Kenya, and on Facebook at DOREEN KEZIAH. I would really love your feedback that much. This was my first bread and it came out unexpectedly awesome, and it was such a delicacy, guys. So do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here, and let's continue supporting one another. Please share my video with your friends and let them know that this channel exists. Bye bye guys, see you on my next video.